Assemble a mini bulldozer. Done! First, let's fuel the mini bulldozer. Pump. Amazing! Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. We need to wash the mini bulldozer. Done! Let's assemble a covered truck. Done! Here we are! Let's install the drip irrigation system. It's time to repair the engine. Install the missing gears. Don't stop! First, let's assemble a film laying machine. Amazing! First, let's fuel the film laying machine. Pump. Keep it up. Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows. And now let's wash the film laying machine. Keep it up. Let's assemble a tractor with carriage. We did it! Let's fuel the tractor with carriage. Pump. Done! Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. Connect the ends of the wires of the same color. Amazing! We need to assemble a transplanter. Ready. And now we need to fuel the transplanter. Press the pump. That's all. Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. Let's wash the transplanter. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble a strawberry trimmer. Hooray! First, let's fuel the strawberry trimmer. Pump. Ready. Let's trim the strawberry beds. We need to repair the engine. Put the gears into the right slots. Connect the ends of the wires of the same color. Keep it up. Let's assemble a market truck. Ready. And now we need to fuel the market truck. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's collect the ripe berries and bring them to farmer's market.